Max, why are you wearing sunglasses indoors? And why does the kitchen look like a snowstorm hit it?
Safety first, Sophie. These onions are strictly aggressive. They are attacking my eyes. And the snow is just organic flour. I was trying to flip a pancake.
Is that the pancake stuck to the fan?
Oh, so that's where it went. I thought it vanished into thin air. It was a very aerodynamic pancake.
What are you even trying to cook, Max?
I saw a video online called Gourmet Dinner in 5 Minutes. I am making spaghetti a la Max.
That sounds fancy. But why is the spaghetti blue?
I didn't have any salt for the water, so I used some blue spot spring. It has electrolytes. It's energy pasta.
Energy pasta? Max, that's not cooking. That's a science experiment. And what is that smell? Is something burning?
Panicking my garlic bread and put it in the toaster.
You put garlic butter bread in a pop-up toaster? Max, that's a fire hazard.
No, it's just extra crispy. In some cultures, carbon is a delicacy.
In which culture? The burnt food culture? Honestly, Max, I think we should just order a pizza.
Pizza? But I already prepared the dessert.
What is the dessert?
Chocolate-covered watermelon with a sprinkle of black pepper.
That's it. We are leaving. My stomach is crying just looking at that.
Wait, don't you want to try the blue pasta? It's very colorful.
Max, I'd rather eat the napkins. Let's go.